these 3 shots, the wide, medium, and close, you're on your way to being an effective storyteller. Today I'm headed out for an adventure, and the goal today is to take in the small moments. I haven't been out on an adventure in quite some time. I'm super stoked to get away from the city and enjoy the quiet moments out here in nature. So let's get to it. Think of the wide shot as an introductory shot to the location, the scene, or the character. Now we know where the video is taking place and who's in frame, who the main character is. And then you work into a medium shot, getting more details on what the subject is doing. Yep, this place is absolutely beautiful, and I think I need to get to a higher location to get the best view in the house of this sunset, so let's go. See what I mean? We're in a close-up shot right now because I want you to know that this is an important part of the story. Close-up shots are used to show detailed information that the storyteller wants the viewer to know. So, for example, maybe I want you to see the dirt. Maybe I want you to see me opening the door. Maybe I want you to see my eyes closing like this. If you're still quite not getting what wide, medium, and close shots are, let's compare them all in the same scene. Think about how these shots made you feel. The wide shot should be helping you understand the environment. The medium shot should be helping you understand what I am doing, and the close-ups should be giving you a better understanding of the details. You can master these 3 shots, the wide, medium, and close. You're on your way to being an effective storyteller. Right now, I'm going to continue hanging out, watching the sunset. It sure is beautiful. And if you ever hit that subscribe button already, go do that. Go follow me on social media at the Nick Amp, and I really appreciate you watch until the end. I hope I give you a better understanding of what wide, medium, and close shots are. I can't wait to share more with all of you. I'll see you in the next one.